Hey guys, I'm Kyla from Venngage. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to creating your own online course. Step 1, Ideation. To come up with an idea, look at your existing audience. What current problems, struggles, and challenges are they facing? Is there a particular theme, like comments that you get regularly on your social media profiles? Because that's going to be a big clue in terms of what people are searching for, what struggles they're currently facing. And from those comments, you can turn that into a great idea for your online course. Step 2, create a course curriculum. Create a course curriculum structure that is both simple and easy to understand. Begin with an introduction and then integrate modules. Providing each module with a concise title can be beneficial for the audience to understand what they can learn in each particular module. Step 3, choose a course format. This means, are you going to be launching your online course as PDF guides, an ebook perhaps, or will you be doing videos? If going the PDF, ebook, or guide route, then you can create a guide really easily on Venngage. Venngage provides a wide array of pre-designed templates for any sort of online course. Not only that, it has an online template editor where you can customize each template according to your course curriculum and add your branding to it. And you can export it in any format you like. Step 4, choose your course platform. There are 3 basic types of online course platforms. First, we have standalone online course platforms like Teachable and Thinkific. These platforms give you a ton of control over your content and data, and depending on your needs and budget, you can't really go wrong with either. They're also really easy to integrate with Shopify. Second, we have all-in-one solutions like Kajabi. This puts your marketing tools, website builder, and content delivery platform under one roof. Finally, we have online course marketplaces like Udemy. A major benefit of online course marketplaces is that you'll gain access to a large built-in audience. But one major con is that you have less control over your pricing and data. Choose your platform carefully, but don't succumb to analysis paralysis. Ultimately, it will be your course and your marketing that are going to be your competitive advantage, not your platform. Step 5, market your course. It's really important that you treat your course like a product launch because that's exactly what it is. Here are 2 of the most important things that you need to do. First, collect emails early and often. Your email list will become one of the most valuable assets in your business because it will allow you to continuously market to leads. It will also allow you to upsell past customers with new courses later on. Second, collect customer testimonials. Testimonials are vital for creating a sustainable growth engine, building trust, and more. Always ask past customers for testimonials in written or video formats on their transformation. Then use these testimonials throughout your marketing material. So, in a nutshell, follow these 5 steps to create your online course. And that's a wrap for today. Try using Venngage for free. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next video.